Ano shape yan? Ha? Cross? Uy, ang galing! Clap, clap. Yay! Ayan, anong shape yan? Obong. Anong shape yan?
Onggong.
Onggong. Ayan, anong shape yan? Square. Ano?
Square.
Bang.
Ayan, anong shape yan? Anong shape yan?
Hexagon. Yeah.
Ano yan?
Medando.
Rectangle. Yan, anong shape yan?
You're playing over.
Hey guys. Hi. Have you guys seen Court? No. She hasn't been an answer. She like disappeared at lunch today. What do you mean? We were like in the middle of lunch and she literally like got up and left. I don't know what her deal is.
Anong shape yan? Hanap mo. Yan. Oy, ang galing nga. Clap, clap. Ups. Sabihin mo.
Hindi lang.
Like you're just
Ups. Sabihin mo, ups. Di dyan.
why did you just like up and leave at lunch? Court. What's the deal? You don't just dish someone in the middle of lunch.
O, game na. Game.
But you could at least respond to me. How do you think it feels? You're more 90% of us. In the middle of lunch, I wouldn't just up and leave you. You know, I was gone. How long did it take? 10 minutes?
Go.
Uy, ang galing. Clap, clap.
I'm done trying to deepen our relationship. Like, all you do is
Ayun.
power. So if that's what you want to be, like, just the text, then I can just text you things. I don't need to hang out.
Triangle.
Tadan.
Yan, star.
Medal.
Star. Star yan. Sabihin mo, star.
Medal.
Star.
Use the sound legitimate, like, hey, should we do a doctor's
Star.
office? And like, pretty big.
Ay, may puto ni Mama.
Ang galing ah.
Tell anybody, you like, I'm like, swear, you like,
May puto ni Mama.
Kaklap ikaw ah.
that's like not something that you're not supposed to. Okay, look here.
O, clap, clap na. Yay! Yay!